Corfish.
Man, we have been waiting to open some Twilight Masquerade, so we were super pumped when we found this booster bundle, and me and the kids decided to sit down and rip it. So let's see what we got.
Rayfort? Or is it Rayfort?
Rayfort.
Seeking.
Monkey.
Dory.
Good cards.
Hey, not the best start, but as we try to master set, we need a lot of these cards, so that's all good.
Monkey Dory. And Pheasantipity.
Wow. Guess it's my turn.
2, go.
We appreciate all the support so far, and if you want more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe.
Ooh, Infernape. And Tinglu.
This bundle just isn't going our way, but you know what? Much like life, you gotta keep on ripping.
Corfish.
Hey, let's go! That's what we're talking about. Nice, on the board, baby.
Helmet. There's something. I see something.
You do?
I see something.
There's something, Rainbow.
There's something.
Ooh.
Oh! That's what I saw. That's what I saw.
That's actually pretty cool.
2 out of 6, all good. Just like I tell the kids, keep on ripping, baby.
If you liked our video, make sure to like and subscribe. What pack should we open next? Drop it in the comments.
Oh yeah.
Woo!